Sets in Motion, Thinking Outside the Box to Get Kids Moving by Sandy Hagenbach. Smash Your Food is an iPad and iPhone app that can also be accessed on a computer through the site foodandme.com. It teaches children about eating healthy by paying attention to sugar, salt, and oil content in the foods they eat. The app allows you to set up players by gender, age, and activity level. This sets the maximum intake of sugar, salt, and oil per meal for each player. It individualizes the game for the children. You can create up to 6 players. The maximum recommended level of sugar, salt, and oil per meal is displayed when you choose the player. Students can choose a variety of foods from different levels. Students earn stars for correct answers. Earning stars unlock levels and crazy food. Students can find the nutrition facts if they need help guessing the content of the sugars, salt, and oil in the food. Students choose a food and guess how many cubes of sugar, shakes of salt, and teaspoons of oil are in the food. Then they tap the lever and smash the food. The game shows the sugar, salt, and oil content of the food smashed. The game then shows the individual max per meal of sugar, salt, and oil in the food and how it compares to what is actually in the food. I developed task cards the students use which assign exercises for the sugar, salt, and oil in the food that was smashed. The amount of sugar, salt, and oil found in the smashed food is the number of reps that must be performed for each exercise. Fitness components can also be taught. Sugar requires an aerobic exercise, salt requires a flexibility exercise, and oil requires a strength exercise. There were 2 cubes of sugar in the smashed food. Students must slide to 2 different walls. If the number is greater than 10, I let students use 2 walls and move between the 2. The sugar number can get over 30. There were 4 shakes of salt in the smashed food. Students multiply this by 5 since salt usually is a low number. Students would need to stretch 20 seconds on each side of their body. Second grade students would just double the number and stretch for 8. There were 13 teaspoons of oil in the smashed food. Students must do 13 reverse shoulder touches. This is a great cooperative activity.
Well, there's a lot of sugar. Yeah, there's a ton. That's right. Look at the sugar on the top, Kennedy.
I'd say there's probably about like 5.
There's going to be some oils because you deep fried.
So I'd say about 6 or 7.
Amelia.
6 or 7.
No, because remember the last one didn't have much. This isn't going to have much either.
What?
Kennedy, they deep fry donuts.
It should be like, maybe say like 5. 5. Okay, let's go.
It's going over. That's about it. It's jelly-filled donuts.
Yeah.
That's why we said a lot of sugar.
Oh, I can see all that sugar.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, but 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh my gosh, it's still going.
Look at this. 21.
Oh my gosh, look at that. There's 19 oils.
Guys, we were just one off on that.
Oh.
Students must now do their reps.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna start the fun.
And flexibility salt. This activity can be adapted to a single projected iPad or used as a classroom brain break. I developed task cards that students use which assign exercises for the sugar, salt, and oil in the food that was smashed. The amount of sugar, salt, and oil found in the smashed food is the number of reps that must be performed for each exercise. Students put a chip on the task card for 3 exercises, 1 each for sugar, salt, and oil. The food is smashed to find out the number of reps for each exercise based on the amount of sugar, salt, and oil in the smashed food.